This week we're going to highlight the latest crop conditions and progress for soybeans nationwide ahead of the Labor Day weekend. We're also going to take a look at updated weather trends moving into that first third of September, and we're going to wrap things up looking at ongoing trends in export sales of U.S. soybeans. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We're moving into Labor Day weekend now, and this soybean market remains exceptionally volatile, challenging contract highs. Let's start out this week taking a look at updated crop condition ratings nationwide. Now, we're looking at some deterioration in the latest week from USDA, a little bit less than expected, however, by the market. 59% good to excellent last week compared to 58% this week. Notice last year at this time it was 57%. The deterioration this week was concentrated in the western Corn Belt. The exception was North Dakota, where it was unchanged, and Missouri, which actually saw modest improvement. Now, east of the Mississippi River was a mixed bag. We did see some improvement, for example, in Illinois, Wisconsin, and Indiana, as well as Ohio. But we did see some significant deterioration, unfortunately, up in Michigan due to some severe storms in that state. Let's now move on and look at our crop condition index here. It's now slightly below where it was last year at this time, and well below some of those recent years. So this is a story that's evolving yet as soybeans go through their final growth stages here. Very critical to continue to monitor weather trends and crop condition ratings. Now we're looking at soybean progress here. Soybeans dropping leaves. As of August 27th, we're at 5% nationwide. On average, over the next 2 weeks, U.S. soybeans dropping leaves increase about 20%. So around that 10th of September, we should be about 25% of U.S. soybeans dropping leaves. As I mentioned momentarily a moment ago, weather is still critical as we move into the month of September. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at temperature trends this week. Quite a divergence here from west to east. In the west, in that orange area, we're looking at highs in the 90s, 80s and 90s here for the next several days through Thursday, Friday. As we move further east, however, into that light blue area, we're looking at highs in the 70s and 80s. So we're looking at quite a divergence through Thursday and Friday this week. Now let's move the calendar ahead to the 1st of September, which is on Friday this week, all the way through the 11th of September. That entire area in orange is going to be forecast to be very warm and hot. Temperatures ranging from 8 to 14 degrees above normal, consistently in the 90s into that first third of September. What about precip? We're looking at the next 7 days. Not much color on that map at all in the Midwest. In fact, very little precip over the next 7 days. Let's stretch the forecast a little bit further for rainfall into September. Now, on this map, we're looking at the next 14 days. You can see still quite a bit of red on that map into that first 10 days of September. Some intensely dry areas in some cases. Let's shift gears now and focus on export demand for beans. Now, this is something we're really watching closely. We are seeing some more scattered new crop export business surface, some daily sales announcements from the USDA. However, that total, old crop and new crop, remains well below some of these recent years. Last year data was unavailable. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in November bean futures. Now, November beans, as we tape here on Tuesday, are trading near $13.95 a bushel, very close to where it was at this time last year. So we continue to encourage you, as we approach harvest, to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a happy and enjoyable Labor Day weekend.